would you mind telling me a little bit how you experienced the videotyping of the online class in comparison with having a bunch of students in front of you?
Well, I was very resistant to the idea of online teaching when it first came in, and when I was still teaching at the university and everybody was excited about the new technology, which was really primitive at the time. My husband taught a course from our home, and everybody dialed in and they just had a microphone, there was no video. And I couldn't imagine how you could teach pottery online. But I have seen your courses, I've heard really good things about them, and having experienced it now, I find it very, from the presenter's point of view, a great venue because I can talk, I don't get interrupted, I can focus on things, everything is set up to be done, and it's very calming to actually just sit there and get the idea across without much distraction.